friend. How you doing? It's Mr. Rob here with
Eleanor.
Yeah. And who else is here with us?
Otto.
There's Otto. Oh, that's just his hand. How are you doing today? Oh, that's good to know. I'm glad that you're doing well. I hope you're having lots of fun. Let's do all of our regular things, and I think there might be a little surprise coming up. We're going to do a fun thing.
Oh, that's always great.
Yeah, I like fun things. Do you like fun things? I bet you do. All right.
Well, you might know what we do first if you've seen any of our other videos, and we always plant a seed.
Yeah, we do.
All right.
Oh my, I am looking at our seeds and I see so many of them have plants showing. Let's count just the ones where I can see a plant growing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay,
All right.
Should we plant one more?
I think we should, but first we have to figure out what number to put on it, since we always put a number on.
Okay, well, we know that we have 7 plants, and we have 2 with no plants. Why don't we just count them all, and then we'll find out how many we have, and after we figure that out, we'll count this last one.
To figure out what we need to write.
Eleanor,
or what day it is.
Will you help? You can use your fingers, and I will point at the cups, and together, you will help us count, and we will find out how many.
All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one hand. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 so far, and one more is 10. This is the first time to write the number on the cup. Eleanor will need to make 2 numbers because a 10 is a 1 and a 0. A 10, sometimes a 1 and a 0 looks like a line and a circle. There it is. All right, will you put some dirt in there for us, Eleanor?
I sure will. And could you help me count my scoops
of
dirt?
Yeah. Ready?
All right.
Let's see. 1 scoop of dirt. 2 scoops of dirt. Are you counting 2? 1, 2, 3 scoops of dirt.
Oh, I think it's a 4 scoop day. Let's see.
Let's see. 3 so far. 4 scoops of dirt.
We can go even a little more. I think this is a new record.
5 scoops of dirt. Okay. We're going to plant another radish seed. All right.
I'll poke a hole for the seed to go into.
Okay. There's the hole. And I'm going to put 1, 2 teeny radish seeds in there.
Now we cover up the hole, and we are going to water our 10th plant, our 10th seed. But first, we will water all the rest before. All right,
Yeah.
so let's count as we water.
Sure. We're going to count to 10. We know this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of plants. You know what I think?
What?
I think our tray is full.
I do too.
I don't know if we can fit any more on this tray.
We'll have to figure that out.
We'll make a plan. All right, let's move those aside because we've got more things to do.
All right.
Okie dokie. I'm going to watch this. I'm going to slide these to you, Eleanor.
Whoa. Nice slide.
Okay. Hey, Eleanor. For snack time, we were going to have bananas for a snack. Do you like bananas? Eleanor and Otto like bananas.
We sure do.
Do you want to bring those bananas over here?
Yeah.
How do those look?
They look pretty old to me.
They are kind of old.
When bananas get old, they get these brown spots on them. And sometimes a couple brown spots are good. But when there's too many, the banana inside gets mushy and it is not very good to eat anymore.
Some people might like it that way, but is that how you like it?
That is not how I like it.
Well, we could throw them in the garbage.
We could.
Do you have another thing we could do with them?
I think we could cook with them.
That's a great idea. If only we knew someone who liked cooking. Why don't you come over here, Otto? What? Look what Otto's wearing. He's dressed like a chef in a restaurant. Maybe I should move over and Eleanor and Otto should do some cooking. Do you guys want to go wash your hands?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Say to you.
Washing your hands?
I sure am. And if we both washed our hands, that means that it's time to get ready for our snack. And we just talked about how we can cook with bananas. Now, Chef Otto, do you have any ideas of good things to cook with bananas? Old bananas?
Well, there's banana bread.
Banana bread? I love banana bread.
Yeah.
And I think we have all the ingredients for banana bread in our house.
Huh. And we happen to have them all set up.
We do.
First, they get the flour and salt and baking soda, and they're going to mix them up together in a bowl. Look at Otto whisking it together. Good job. Now, look at that. The bananas. You need bananas for banana bread. Otto has a masher and Eleanor's peeling the bananas. 1, 2 bananas. Now there's 3. Look at Otto. Mash, mash, mash. Ooh, all mushed up. Now they're adding some brown sugar. That'll make it pretty tasty, I think. They got it all mixed up. Now they're going to add some cooking oil and some vanilla. Ooh, they like the way the vanilla smells. All right, now each of them is going to put in an egg. First, Eleanor cracks her egg. Look at that. There it is. Now it's Otto's turn. There's Otto's egg. All right, they put it in. Now they're going to mix, 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 mix. Look at that. Oh, it looks very fast this way. That's kind of funny. All right, they did a good job mixing those. Now they're going to add the flour and mix that up. Oh, good job. Now they're going to add a couple more bananas to make it extra banana-y. These they're smushing with a fork, but not so much. There we go. Good job smushing. Now they're going to scrape them in there. Those bananas were really sticking. Ooh, chocolate chips too? That makes this pretty treaty bread, I think. There's the muffin tin. Now they're going to spray some cooking spray so that the muffins don't stick. And now it's time to scoop 1 scoop of muffin batter into each of the 12 cups in this muffin tin. Look at what a careful job they're doing.
So now we're over at our oven, which has been heated to 375 degrees before we started so that it's hot enough to bake our muffins. Now with an oven, you need to have permission and you need to know what you're doing when you're using it. I'm a big kid and I have permission from my dad.
Sure do.
To use the oven and put in our muffins. But before I even do that, I'm going to get an oven mitt so that the hot inside of the oven doesn't burn my hand. All right. Now I'm going to get even 2 oven mitts just to be extra safe because I'm going to have both of my hands right by the oven. And I do not want to be burned. All right, so let's open the oven. And there are 3 racks inside of our oven. 1, 2, 3. This rack is about in the middle, and that's where I'm going to put our muffins. So here's the muffin tin, and I'm putting it in right in the middle. And I'll push it back just a little bit, and now it's perfect in there so that they can be baked. All right, so now that I'm done with the oven, I'll take off my mitts and put them back. Now, how long do we have to wait until our muffins are baked, Mr. Rob?
About 15 minutes.
All right, so I'll set a timer and we'll see you when they're done.
Sounds good. Hey friends, let's read a quick story. This book is called Mine. Mine. I bet that's a word we all know. This is written by a man named Kevin Luthart, and he also made these pretty pictures that you see. He's one of my friends. I know him in real life. He lives not too far from where we live. Mine. Look at that. Do you see those 2 boys? I think they are brothers, and they have a toy dinosaur. Let's find out some more about it. Look, there is a mail truck driving on the road through the town. Here is the grandma. She is wrapping up a package, tying it up. There it is. Look at that. There's the mail truck. And the postal carrier is bringing the package up to the house. He gave it to them. Ooh, the children look surprised. Can you make a surprise face? There's my surprise face. Both of the children are thinking, mine? And they're thinking of all the fun things it could be. Could it be a rocket ship or a yo-yo? Could it be a football or a truck or a drum? Oh, it's so exciting when you get a present and you don't know yet. They open it up and look. It's a dinosaur stuffed animal. And they both say, mine. And they're so happy and excited. Even the dog looks pretty excited. Mine, says the boy with the red shirt and the hat on. Uh-oh. But the boy with the yellow shirt and the glasses doesn't look as happy. Look at that. He's saying, mine, 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 mine. Can you sing a little mine song with me? Mine, 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 mine. He's going outside. Uh-oh. Look at how he's feeling. Oh, I think he's feeling upset and angry. And he says, mine. And he is looking very angry, and the other boy is looking surprised. Mine, 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 mine. And the dog isn't liking this. He says, bark, bark, bark. Look at that. He's trying to take it from his brother. He got it, and he says, mine. Oh, but it looks like now the other boy isn't happy, and they're both saying, mine. But then, rip. Oh no, do you see? The toy dinosaur has ripped. Oh no. Look, now they are both looking at it. How do you think they are feeling about this ripped dinosaur? I think they are feeling sad. Look, Mommy's not feeling happy now. I think she is saying, you need to go inside and make some better decisions. They're sitting in their room and feeling bad about the way that they did not do good turn-taking or sharing. Sometimes we don't do the best thing. But then Mommy calls and she says, lunch. And they come downstairs, feeling a little sad still, because they broke their cool new toy. Oh, look at this. I think Mommy or Daddy has sewn up the tear in the dinosaur. They are both very happy about that. The boy with the red shirt is saying, yours. And then the boy with the yellow shirt says, yours. They're both trying to give the other friend a turn. And then they say, ours. Look at that. There it is in their toy box. Now, you know how Mr. Rob likes to notice things in books. I noticed that on the last page of this book, if you look very carefully, the doggy is running away with the dinosaur. Oh no, and there are the brothers chasing him. What a silly fun book. This book is called Mine. I think if you had this at your house, you could read it to your family because the words are very easy to remember and it's a fun story. Thanks for reading it with me.
Our muffins are all baked and ready to be taken out of the oven. So we're going to carefully open the oven with permission and protection. And look at our muffins! Those light spots are pieces of banana.
Chunky.
Yes, I'm going to carefully take it out and put it on top of our oven while I close the oven. And our oven is still hot, so I'm going to turn off the heat.
Ooh, look at those muffins. All right, they need to cool for a few minutes.
They do.
Then you can eat them.
All right, well, our muffins are fully baked, and we are going to have one. They're all cooled off, so we can touch them. And we're going to have one of our banana muffins. We can split it in half like this, and you can see the inside. You can see some banana, you can see some of the baked bread part, and you can see some chocolate chip. It looks delicious. Which half would you like, Otto?
I want this one.
Alrighty. We're both gonna have it. And while we finish our muffins, let's go to your turn. Freya and Matilda are gonna show us something.
Freya and Matilda are going to do some baking too. They've got the batter in the mixer. Looks like they're adding some ingredients. Oh, stirring it up. Now it looks like we've got 2 round pans in the oven, and they made a Bobby and redfish cake. Yay! We weren't the only ones who had the idea to do some baking.
Yeah.
You know, speaking of ideas, do you guys have an idea for a song that we could sing before we say goodbye?
Well, I remember yesterday's song pretty well.
Well, why don't we give that one a try? I'll play guitar and you guys can do the singing.
Sounds great.
Only if you'll sing with us, okay?
Alright.
All right, here we go.
Red as a fire truck, orange as a sunrise, yellow as a bumblebee, green as my friend's eyes, blue as the deep sea, purple as a ripe plum. That's the colors I see. You go and find some now.
Very nice. And it was very nice to spend some time with you today. Take care, and we'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, friend.